Before we get started on the Spruce Street Road assessment, did you know the Hendry family was an early Riverside family tied to the city's citrus-growing era, and their name survives in Riverside history through the former Hendry Street, which was later renamed Spruce Street. Spruce Street is in good condition, with only minor issues noted along the street. These include areas of alligator cracking, minor road divots, and skid marks throughout Spruce Street. While none of these issues appear to significantly affect the overall ride on Spruce Street, we will take a closer look at each of them in greater depth later in the video, especially a deeper dive into the skid marks that are pervasive throughout Spruce Street. For starters, you can see that this residential section of Spruce Street is relatively narrow, and the automobiles parked along both sides of the roadway make the available driving space even more limited. Drivers need to remain alert and maintain an appropriate speed, particularly when passing parked vehicles, as people may open their automobile doors unexpectedly. Drivers should also be attentive to vehicles pulling away from the curb or merging into the travel lane, making awareness and caution especially important through this portion of the street. As you can see here, there is a constant flow of traffic through this residential section of Spruce Street. The traffic is not hectic or overwhelming, but there is a steady drip of automobiles moving through the area. This consistent activity is noticeable without significantly detracting from the ride through this residential portion of Spruce Street. Spruce Street also has many road repair patches throughout this section. While these road repair patches address previous areas of damage and help maintain the roadway, they can create some changes in the driving surface. Drivers may notice slight variations in pavement texture or elevation as they travel over the repaired areas, particularly where multiple patches are present. Overall, these repairs are relatively minor, but drivers should remain attentive to the changing road surface. As one travels downhill through this residential section, the narrow roadway, along with the automobiles parked along the side of the street, may leave some drivers with limited room to maneuver. The downhill grade can also cause your vehicle to pick up speed gradually without you realizing it. Drivers should be especially mindful of their speed and maintain a safe pace, particularly when the road is wet or when traveling through unfamiliar portions of Spruce Street. Staying alert and allowing plenty of room around parked vehicles can help make this stretch of Spruce Street safer for everyone. The train track crossing on Spruce Street is another feature that can impact motorists traveling through this portion of the roadway. Drivers should be prepared for changes in the road surface as they approach and cross the tracks, which may require reducing speed and proceeding carefully. The train crossing can also create brief delays when a train is present, so motorists should remain alert, watch for crossing signals and other traffic, and be prepared to stop when necessary.
Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. The trip channel will help you plan smarter, safer routes. By checking the trip channel regularly, you can avoid rough or blocked roads, adjust your timing, and prepare for any challenges ahead. A few minutes of planning can save hours of frustration and help keep you and your passengers safe on every trip. Also, the trip channel isn't just for planning. It's also a great way to reconnect with streets you know and love, whether it's the route you took to school, the road to your favorite diner, or that scenic stretch you once drove at sunset. The trip channel lets you see what's changed and what stayed the same. Take a moment to reminisce and explore familiar paths from a fresh perspective. Sometimes the best trips are the ones down memory lane. And by the way, if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video.
The circular skid marks you see here on Spruce Street appear to be different from the typical marks associated with sudden braking or emergency stops. Their circular pattern suggests they may have been created intentionally as a form of entertainment or vehicle maneuvering, rather than from a driver reacting to an unexpected situation. While the marks themselves may seem minor to some, this type of skid mark can create safety concerns for other motorists, pedestrians, and nearby residents, particularly on this portion of Spruce Street. During weekday peak rush hours, traffic congestion becomes more noticeable along this portion of Spruce Street. The steady flow of vehicles will increase significantly as commuters travel through the area, making it more challenging to navigate safely. Drivers may experience slower moving traffic and occasional backups, so allowing additional travel time and remaining patient and attentive can be especially important during these busier periods.
If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.